Iowa State has always kind of been my #1 college choice. My parents are both Cyclones. Our house is decorated Cyclones. Grew up coming to football games, and they have the best family and consumer sciences program around. All of the people in the FCS programs, my advisor, the instructors, all of them just made me feel so welcome, and I kind of can feed off of their passions. I feel like I grow more passionate the more I talk to them. You really get a taste of everything. And I think that the instructors here do such a great job of telling you how you are going to integrate this into the classroom. So taking your knowledge and then giving it back to students is what I've learned the most here. I've done quite a few practicums, and I've learned so much from each of them. What their instructional style is like, how they connect with their students, what projects they do. And with my work with Parenting It's a Life, I'm an outreach educator for them. So once a week I get to travel the entire state, and we teach life skills curriculum and also a teen dating violence awareness program. So we're really giving life skills to students around the state and hopefully making them better people. I am the Vice President and Philanthropy Chair of the Family and Consumer Sciences Club. We just got finished with our pillowcase workshop where we sewed 22 pillowcases to donate to Ryan's Case for Smiles, and those go to cancer patients that are children in various hospitals all around the state. So that was really rewarding. I certainly want to teach FCS in high school. It's kind of my goal. They're really in a moldable stage of their life where you can really give them a lot and they'll take it with them. The people that are in the FCS program are so wonderful, so encouraging, and you'll really find that you will have a passion for it and you'll want to help others, and you will be set up so well for success.